Lonnie, you haven't uploaded in so long. Ah, be quiet. Anyways, we're back. Let me show the P&L for the people that are new because your guys' attention span is horrible. Like always, you guys don't see P&L or blues in the MetaTrader. You either get called a scammer immediately, you either get called a fraud, which I am a scammer and a fraud. Duh. That was a joke. I have to say that because some of you guys don't understand my sense of humor. I'm joking. Majority of you do. Anyways, this is a P&L. This actually the P&L on the account, but the day. Let me zoom in for you guys so you guys can actually see. This trade was taken on FOMC. Zoom. Bam. Right there. So that is on the day. Anybody curious, you read the title. It says how much it is. I don't need to flex some more, do I? I'm joking. Keep the dealers back there. Camera's blurry. I'm joking. No, actually, let's get into this trade. Let's break it down. And then for you guys that are curious where I've been, I'll say that at the end of the video. It's going to be a short video. But let's break it down. For anybody curious, Lonnie, what happened to live trades, live recordings? Everything is here now. I am live trading in the Discord every single day. I need to upload the last two recordings. Obviously, they're long recordings, so don't expect them to have a lot of views. Because I know none of you guys are watching this. But obviously, it's the entire recordings of me going in and trading. So I've been focusing on certain things within my trading, and I documented all there essentially, just to take time away from actually uploading on YouTube. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with YouTube. Okay, camera quality looks good. Let's get into it though. We did have major high impact news today. We had FOMC. We held through FOMC. FOMC hit take profit. Shout out Biden. Still need to get that old stink out of office. Oh, Lonnie, I'm unsubscribing because you said that. Kick rocks. Unsubscribe. Anyways, ADP NFP. We had that early in the morning, 5:15 a.m., 5:30 unemployment cost index. We were up on gold around 1%. We need to move out the United States. Actually, no, we need to move to Miami. And then move out the United States. Anyways, so on the day we were up on gold around 1% early in the morning. I originally thought we missed our buy entry to the upside due to it being on news data release 5:30. This break is structured to the upside right here, but I don't execute news data release. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to allow price action to play out. So now we can actually break down what happened. Overall price action bullish. I said it within my Discord technical analysis. If you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. I'll link in the description. All links are in the description, which is only two. Anyways, price action was originally I was bullish, price pushing to the upside. Yes, I was bullish on the morning, but I still acknowledge that we were within this daily fair value gap. Scaling down on 4 hour, we retrace into this 4 hour fair value gap right here. I did want to see, while on the live call, 4 hour reject off of this 4 hour fair value gap to showcase confluence before scaling down in time frame on 5 minute, looking to see some consolidation with a liquidity sweep break of structure to the downside, which we did get. I had sleep paralysis twice right here. How, you may ask? Well, that's what happens when you trade on a laptop and you trade at home and you like to get comfy. You lay in bed and then bam, you're out like a light. And I told the Discord to wake me up. They didn't wake me up. And I thought but I had sleep paralysis. And if you guys have sleep paralysis, you're like, obviously I was asleep, but my eyes are open. I was like, and so I was trying to wake myself up. The first time, okay, fine, we woke up. Second time, we got closer to the entry. It was literally this candlestick right here we were seeing develop. I was like, no. We had sleep paralysis. I was like, and then I have my own methods to wake myself up, which I don't even know. Does that sound weird? Anyway, I was like, and anyways, and then I woke myself up and I was like, oh boys, we're good. It's actually gonna be in the recording. Whoa, ew, this is how it looks inverted. I hate how it looks inverted. If we look inverted to everybody else in the world, which no, we don't look. You don't look like that, so don't think you're hideous. Majority of us are screwed. We will never, ever find wives. Anyways, back to trading. if you are a trader, you will probably never find a wife. Anyways, all dudes, no girls, money and no women. Anyways, price action broke broke 5-minute structure to the downside, where we did get an execution in. Set stops above 15 5-minute and hourly highs to give us a nice validating stop loss. Price action pushed to the downside, did end up hitting TP1, which was here at this first retracement, before, which is at a 1 to 1.2427. Before pushing back to the upside, filling more orders within this 5-minute and 15-minute fair value gap right here, until it essentially pushed to the downside right here. This was 5 minutes pre news data release. News did release. Smackdown hit TP, and for everybody that hit TP, I told them, which wasn't many people because a lot of people didn't trust in this setup because of Fomc, I said request your withdrawals from your prop firms. No joke. Yeah, that was serious. And they did. So secure the bag. The blues and the MetaTrader. Anyways, so after doing that, yeah, price action continued to liquidate to the downside. I had one of my friends say, "Yo, Lonnie, would it be OD if I place my stop loss all the way down here?" I say, "Yes, you're tripping." When we took the trade, we were like, "Nah, we could have set our stop loss. We could have set our DB down there as a joke." Like, yeah. Anyways, yeah, price action did that. Retraced back to the upside. Surprisingly, filled more orders within this 5-minute fair value gap, and plummeted down to the downside. Yeah, before doing whatever it's doing now. Do you want my overall bias for tomorrow? Maybe. Am I gonna give it to you? Join the Discord. I'm joking. I don't know. I haven't done technical analysis. Actually, I should do technical analysis. I'm going to do technical analysis and post it in the Discord after this video's done. But essentially, apart from that, that was all the trade was. For anybody curious why I've been away, I've been focusing on one thing at a time, really focusing on being able to give you guys the best trading content. By that meaning being able to properly execute. This year's main focus and this month's main focus, the month of February, is really to continue to stack up our capital. We have huge goals for scaling up our capital, so we're making sure to really just keep our full focus on that, on what we are looking to achieve. And YouTube, it wasn't distracting, but 100% was a little bit of a toll trying to think of ideas. Essentially, I've taught you guys everything you need to know. There's people in the Discord already up on their challenge accounts or whatever the case is, because they've just gone and executed and learned and try to understand, and they've understood, and I'm proud of them. And they still ask me for help, and I love helping them. I love when you guys DM me. But yeah. So I've really just been taking time to focus on my own trading, as a whole, because I forget sometimes that this is my job. So I need to make sure I'm top tier at it, right? But apart from that, we've been continually executing on our sell model, so our win rate has drastically improved. I mean, I showed the P&L, whatever. But that was everything, essentially. Not everything. Like, there's more trades if I go back. But you can see from when we started actually focusing on making and developing a more consistent trading plan. Wait, let's do this. Bam, right here. Which was from this trade right here. Can't see, dang it. How do I show it? It was from this trade right here. So from this trade, oh shoot, you can see, all the way down, we started focusing on, can you see, on developing our trade consistency, and really focusing on our risk management and our approach to the market of just being consistent. Really, that's it. Nothing crazy. But yeah, so it's been going good. Set up our playbooks. We have our set strategy now. For you guys that don't know, before I didn't have a strategy. I did have a strategy, but I would execute on different things. My main focus now is to continually execute on the exact same thing every single time. And if I don't get that, I'm fine not trading for the day. The Discord sees it all the time where I'm like, boys, I'm not trading for the day. And it's definitely a benefit because it allows you to wait, know what setups to execute on, know which ones not to, and helps you build good trade discipline, you know? So, throwing the funded accounts to the side for the rest of the week, focusing on the challenge accounts we do have as of right now, and we're going to continue to keep doing what we're doing, keeping that consistency, aka just continuing to properly execute. Knowing when to not execute is very, very important too. Don't forget that. But apart from that, join the Discord, live trading in there tomorrow as well. Tomorrow, let's see what news we have. Tomorrow we have ISM and unemployment claims. We are going to be waiting until ISM release because ISM is a hefty one. And then next week is the birthday week. So here's our birthday week. For anyone cares, the birthday's the 8th. Not that any of you care or asked, but God really did for our birthday week. Why? Look at the news. Look at the news. God did. Best gift I could ask for. But apart from that, yeah, that's all. That's all we have for the video. Say bye, Tommy. But say bye, Tommy. Bye. I mean, bye, ma. What's good? What's good, man?